I say is we rolling. I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider coming to y'all on this beautiful Monday morning. And I hope you're hungry, baby, because I'm serving breakfast of champions this morning. We got two 11R24.5s we're about to put right here. This driver blew this inside tire. Look at that cut, baby. That joker is gone. But this tire is separating as well. It's about to blow out on him and it's about to blow out on him and it's very low on tread. All my truck drivers and tire men know if you're gonna put a new tire on the drive axle, it'll be best to go ahead and put two of them right there. So that's exactly what we about to do. I'm about to go ahead and shut my mouth and get this job going. Y'all don't want to hear me, y'all are here to work. And so am I. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. It's my first job this Monday morning, so we're gonna have to get everything greased up and oiled up. You know I gotta put you to work, baby. I haven't eaten anything that's just from yesterday. Don't say nothing, all right? You know I'm about to put that 20-ton jack to work, baby. I'm gonna tighten you down. Let's get him jacked up. Ooh, this finna be easy. This truck ain't sitting too low, nor is it too high. It's just perfect for my jack. And we're going right into these U-boats, baby. Let's go. Houston, we have contact. We coming up in the world, baby. That right there should be high enough. Let's go on and get to it. Now the only drawback to this is we got these caps on here. Oh, they already loose though. Oh, he might have loosened them up for us. When I tell you as a tire man, this right here is like one of the most dreaded parts of doing my job. Cause I wanna just be able to come out, jack it up, take the lug nuts off and get to going. These right here, sometimes they'll be on so tight, man, they hold you back. But these are loose, so they ain't gonna be a nuisance at all, man. My boy need to learn how to drive cause he riding all on that shoulder, you heard that? Oh my freaking God. My air compressor ain't even built up yet. And it just built up, so let's go. Put these up there. It's gonna get you off, baby. Let's go. If you're new here, you may not know, but I be listening to music while I work. So sometimes I blurt out lines while I'm rapping, and it may sound crazy. And today you're not gonna hear me rap. If I do say something, it's gonna be me singing because I'm listening to a little R&B. Let's get him off of there. Right now I got that Jaheim playing in my ear, and let's get to it, man. What y'all wanna do? If they gleam in the sun while they spinning, I could remember. No stems, no seats in the back then. And if it dripped from my wrist and it looked like it shine like blue, then we're gonna let the air out of this one. Too easy. The air is already out of this one, so all I gotta do is break it down. And it's off the wheel already. Spend my life. Let's go. The Bridgestone ain't gonna stand a chance. Watch how I put these bars to him. Ooh, Lord. Don't do it, Mike. Watch it pop. Oh, you ain't wanna do it. One more pull. Sheesh. We're putting new tires on, so of course we're going back with 2 new valve stems. These are aluminum valve stems, so we need the 16 mil. I ain't even noticed he had the tire pressure sensor on there. And for those of you who don't know this, yes, they make the TPMS sensor for big trucks as well. They're not very common on big trucks, but you will find some that have them in there, like this one that I'm working on now. She's gonna leave you. Got that joker tight to death. Let's go. It's your turn, baby. I'm a little excited, so I might be thrown off a little bit, man. It feels good to be alive, well, healthy, and able to do what you love doing. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna put you over here. You ain't gonna take number 1 hit. I might can stomp on it and break it loose. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna do one more. Ooh, but you ain't bad, are you? Not too shabby, let's get him. Funny, comprehended, but I can't cope. Way back. Way back. Trying to find my way back. Just gonna get you a new valve stem, man. No clue, no map. So I'm jigging till I reveal. You said that it was painless. Funny, you always said hope floats comprehended, but I can't cope. So I gotta way back to you, baby. To you, baby. What y'all know about that Jaheim, man? Nothing. I thought not. We got lost, lines got crossed, and the night turned to straighten you out a little bit. And then I jumped ship, got caught up in the current, and it. Let's see what that lube here for on that Monday morning. They done set over the weekend. Oh my freaking God, boy. Ooh. I'm finna lure these jokers on real good with this. Let's get it. I ain't even gonna have to double dip. It's the same swab that I pulled out on the first one. It still should be good enough to rub this second tire down. Yes, sir. Man, that joke right here finna be slippery. Watch him slide on there. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Joker just dropped on. I ain't even got to put no pressure behind him. Let's see if you're gonna do the same. Of course, you put up a little bit more fight, but still. Let's peel y'all on, man. Watch it drop on me. Sheesh. It's your turn, baby. Let's go. Good God. I'm on my knees, buddy. Where? I'm gonna put him at that red dot. I got the core taken out. It's a brand new tire. I should not need my cheetah tank to get it aired up. Let's see what it do. I might just have to lean it forward a little bit so it'll catch on the wheel. Maybe walk it down a little bit so how that joker catch. Look at it, spread knot. That come from all these years of experience, man. I ain't just started doing this yesterday. I just need you. Come here. Come here. Where are you now? Need you around. On my things we're going. Let's go. How much air we got in our 65? We got a little bit more to go. When I tell you this right here, it's a nice little setup, man. I ain't mad at it. Look how my jack ain't shifted or nothing, man. That's what you're supposed to be doing out here in this field, man. Got me. Got me. Hey. 110 on the head, I'm a bad man. Put you on that red dot. Let me drop you just a little bit. This one is a little bit more loose on the wheel than that other one was, but let's see if it catches without the cheetah tank. We're gonna pull him in. We're gonna walk him just a little bit. We're gonna jiggle him a little bit. Nah, I might need that tank. No, come on. And he caught. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. Let me kick the phone real quick, y'all. Make sure you put that valve cap back on. And we going back on the truck, baby. We're gonna walk him in real slow. I do need to come up just a little bit on my jet because these tires are a lot taller than what those old tires are. I'm gonna wait till I get this tire aired up and we gonna come up a little bit more. Let's see what we are on this tire, man. 60. While that tire's airing up, I'm gonna go ahead and load my old tires on the truck. And by the time I get done, we're gonna see what that progress is. Why you gonna roll back down on me? Golly. Ooh, boy. But I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping. That's how I control. Let's see how much air we got in there. We're right up under 100. We're gonna put them 110 in there. Tripping on you. What we got? Oh, we right at 110. Tripping on you. Uh-oh. Tripping on you. No, we gotta put that valve cap on now, man. We can't have you round naked and exposed. Like I said, I need to raise my jack. Like I said, I need to raise my jack up some since these tires were taller. And let's do just that. You see how I leaning in, the joker leaning in as we go up. We up there, baby. A little bit more. What that was, boy? What that was, boy? That's the spot right there. We're gonna get you on. Pro tip, if you catch yourself doing a dually axle like I'm doing, I mean, it's two tires right here next to each other. If you put a lug nut on the top stud, you don't have to hold the tire on. The lug nut gonna hold it on for me. See how I didn't kick all the way back out? I still got space to put other lug nuts on. That doesn't leave me restricted. I see a lot of guys who will hold it up with their hand and then they trying to work with just one hand and then they bent all over, stretching themselves out. But if I got that lug nut on the top most stud, that lug nut gonna hold it for me. Now I got two hands, I can do whatever I wanna do. I can make this job so much easier for you if you pay attention, all right? Nascar, is you ready? Hey, he is back on the road again. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what we call a job like that where I'm from? A success.